How to use Turnitin on Canvas as a student. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To use the Turnitin on Canvas as a student, first and foremost go ahead and type in www.turnitin.com and click on the login button. Tap on New User. After that, select on your account type as a student. You will have to enter your class ID and class enrollment key that will be provided by your instructor. Now, to complete your profile, enter your first name and your last name. Enter the mail address that is provided by the university itself. Create a password and confirm your password. For safety and security, create yourself a secret question and type in the answer of it. By checking on I'm not a robot box, you'll be able to create yourself a Turnitin account for your student. Now, how can we use it? As a student, when you turn in your assignment, you can check on for the grades. To do so, log in into your course and click the grades link in the navigation menu. Locate the assignment in the list, then check on the colored icon which is on the far right of the row to open the Turnitin interface. Inside Turnitin, review the feedback and click any blue comment icon to read out the comment. To locate the assignment, at the top you will find the box called assignment. You can click on it. You can upload your paper and check out feedback this way. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.